Greg, Tyler, and Brett Dunn are filling in for some people on this team. Tyler's a red shirt with no hat. Greg is a red shirt with a tan hat. And Brett is a red shirt with a dark hat. Don't know who the other guys are. Versus them. The prep squad. Oh, Greg's out right off the bat. Tyler was just too short for that one hit. Poor guy. Don't be scared. Oh, somebody just got creamed in the audience again. Oh, I got him.
How'd he get out? I didn't.
He got creamed in the gut.
Was that funny to you?
Well, I don't know what that one was going after. Oh, Greg almost got it again. Down to 3 on that side and 5 on this side. 2 on that side.
I'm so terrible. I thought I wasn't going to be one of those people.